French side of St. Maarten. We are going to take the ferry over to Anguilla to spend the day there. We have checked in. You do need your passport and vaccine card to go to Anguilla. So we checked in, we gave our passport information, then we paid the taxes, which is $5 a person, and then we got a ticket and we will board the ferry at 9:30. We'll take you guys along.
See you guys soon.
We have arrived at Shoal Bay. The ferry ride over was about 25 to 30 minutes once we got on board. Not a bad ride at all.
A little rough, but
yeah.
Overall not bad at all. If you sit on the right hand side on the top deck, be prepared to get wet.
Yep. We did get wet just a little bit, but it didn't really matter because after all we were coming to the beach anyway. So it was not bad. You can take the ferry to Anguilla or St. Bart's. We decided to come to Anguilla. We are right now at Shoal Bay. We rented 2 chairs and an umbrella for $10. We're gonna have lunch while we're here as well, and the restaurant that we're gonna have lunch at offers free Wi-Fi as well. The beach is very nice.
It's beautiful. The water is gorgeous. You can look, when you're in the water, you can look down and see your feet.
Yes, very nice. It is hot, probably low 90s. No humidity though, so still a nice day. Not a whole lot of people at the beach. This is a smaller island. There's only 15,000 residents on the island, so a small island. We have seen some resorts, not a whole lot, which would explain why the beach is not crowded. I would definitely come here again. I think we're going to enjoy the day.
Yes, indeed, we will. See you guys later.
Happy birthday, God bless you. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord protect you. May the good Lord watch over you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. We all love you.
Thank you. Okay, what is this?
This is...
Yeah!
Today's my son's birthday as well.
Oh,
yes.
tell him I said happy birthday.
Thank you. This is a little complimentary, spicy rum that I make from the sea grapes, right there.
Oh.
And a little bit of orange zest. So give it a try. And my name is Maarten. Thank you.
Oh, that's good.
Good.
Thank
Enjoy.
you. Want to try some?
You're the birthday girl. Enjoy.
Later.
So we are currently on the family-friendly side of the resort. They do play some games out here. There's also a swim-up bar. And right now, the game that they are playing is a water balloon toss. So everyone has a partner, and you throw it to your partner. Once they catch the balloon, then you have to take a step backwards. As long as your balloon does not pop, you're still in the game. Once your balloon pops, you're out of the game. It started out with about 10 couples, and now they're down to about 2.
days later.
Oh my goodness.
That's 8 pounds.
So that's 8 pounds? How much is that gonna be?
That's $24.95 a pound.
Oh, $24.95 a pound?
Yeah.
Oh no. I didn't
You
know
can
that.
go with one of them little ones over
yeah.
there.
Oh yeah, I didn't know. Oh. Yeah. You lucky, baby. You got lucky. Yeah.
It's a better one.
Okay.
That's 3.5.
3.5. So that'll be what, 48, 75. Okay, I'll do that. I'll get popcorn.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.